Class 7 Science, Chapter 5 Acids, Bases and Salts. Natural indicators. First of all, let's just recall what are indicators. Like we have discussed earlier, indicators are the substances which help us to differentiate between acids or bases. These are the substances which give different colors with different solutions, which help us to indicate different solutions. अलग अलग कलर देने की वजह से हम easily differentiate कर पाते हैं acids और bases में. That means they give different colors with different solutions. And we found different indicators in nature as well as we synthesize some of them. So indicators can be natural as well as chemical or synthetic. First of all, let's discuss natural indicators. Litmus, a natural indicator. The commonly used indicator in our laboratories is litmus itself. This is a natural indicator which is extracted from lichens. If you remember, we have discussed lichens in our first chapter also, that lichens is a symbiotic relationship between an alga and a fungus. So lichens, which is found in nature, it is used to get this indicator. It has a mauve color in distilled water. अगर आप litmus को distilled water में dissolve करते, it gives mauve. That means purplish color. And when added to the acidic solution, it turns red. And when added to basic solution, it turns blue. So litmus gives different color indications in different solutions. अगर आप acid में डालते हैं तो रेड कलर का हो जाएगा, और अगर आप बेस में डालते हैं तो सोल्यूशन बिकम्स ब्लू. सो कलर देखकर हम इजीली डिटेक्ट कर पाते हैं कि वेदर द सब्सटेंस इज एसिड और बेस. It will be in the form of solution or in the form of strips of paper which we call as litmus paper. So this litmus which we use in our laboratories as an indicator comes in two ways. आपको litmus solution के form में भी मिलता है, bottles में भी मिलता है, यानी liquid form में भी मिलता है, and we also get litmus strips जिसे हम litmus paper भी कहते हैं. So litmus is a very common indicator which we use in our laboratories to differentiate between acids and bases. And like we have discussed earlier, litmus gives different color in acids as well as bases. So red litmus turns blue in bases and blue litmus turns red in case of acids. Now these are the examples of some other indicators. Litmus we have just discussed. Turmeric, haldi जिसे आप कहते हैं. Yes, this is again another example of indicator. Turmeric is also used as an indicator in our laboratories, and we can also use it at our homes. Yes, it's very interesting to use turmeric as an indicator. And how? Turmeric gives reddish brown color with base, but it doesn't give any color with the acids. तो अगर आप किसी भी solution में डालते हैं turmeric को या turmeric paste को, if it turns reddish brown in color, that means that solution or that substance is basic in nature. और अगर turmeric डालने पर, उसका paste डालने पर कोई भी color change नहीं आता है, that means that solution or the substance is whether acidic or neutral in nature. तो टर्मरिक आपका सिर्फ बेसिस के साथ कलर देता है, एसिड्स या न्यूट्रल सॉल्यूशंस के साथ कलर नहीं देता. देन चाइना रोज इंडिकेटर. चाइना रोज, हिबिस्कस, आप सभी के गार्डन्स में, पार्क्स में आप सभी ने देखा होगा चाइना रोज, विच इज़ रेड इन कलर. सो दिस चाइना रोज also used as an indicator. And how do we prepare this indicator? We just put the China rose petals in boiling water and we get the color of that petals. And that colored solution is used as an indicator. हम उबलते हुए पानी में petals डाल देते हैं. Then we keep it aside for 2-3 minutes and we get the China rose indicator. This China rose indicator gives dark pink color with bases and green color with acids. So अगर आपका indicator आपने डाला है, अगर वो dark green color आता है, that means that is acid. और अगर pink आता है तो base. ठीक है, तो by just looking at the colors, green है तो आपका acid हो जाएगा, pink है तो आपका base हो जाएगा. So color को देखकर हम easily detect कर पाते हैं which is that solution. Now these were the natural indicators. Now there is one synthetic indicator in our laboratories which again we use widely, which is phenolphthalein. This phenolphthalein is a chemical indicator, a synthetic indicator, which gives pink color with basis but no color with acid or neutral. phenolphthalein सिर्फ बेसिस के साथ पिंक कलर देता है और किसी भी सॉल्यूशन के साथ कोई कलर नहीं देता. So if we put a drop of phenolphthalein in any solution, if it turns pink, that means that solution is basic in nature, otherwise acid or neutral. So these are the some indicators which we use in our laboratories. Along with that, these indicators are also used for various purposes. Like by just looking at the solutions, we can't say that solution is acid or base. और आप उसे taste भी नहीं कर सकते because they may be harmful, they may be corrosive. So by just using the indicators, we can detect the presence of acid or base in any solution. Along with that, अगर आपको पता लगाना है soaps के बारे में, detergents के बारे में, कितने वो harsh है या कितने gentle है, we can again use these indicators. As well as we can use litmus strips as well, which is again a kind of indicator. That's all about the indicators. Thank you.